Each Alcaviva H2 series ionizer comes with a series of plugs at the various inlets and outlets on the machine. That's because occasionally there's some residual water from the quality control and performance testing we do prior to shipping each unit. I'm going to show you how to take these out before we try to install. Every ionizer except for the Delphi H2, which is a little bit different, is going to have a stop plug in the top here. This is very easy. This one just simply slides right out like so. Moving to the bottom of the ionizer, we're going to have two. We're going to have a quick connect style plug here, and we're going to have a cap plug here. The cap is just like the one from the top. Simply pulls right off. Now the quick connect is a little bit different. The quick connect style fittings operate on a system where they have to be pressed in order to be removed. Similar to the way those Chinese finger traps we played with as a kid work. There's a couple ways to do it. We can do it with a tool, we can use it with something lying around the kitchen like a butter knife, or even just our fingers. I'm going to show you a couple different ways of doing that. First is at the very base where the plug enters this fitting, you'll see a small ring. This is called a collet. The collet is what actually has to be pressed into the fitting in order for the plug to be removed. If we don't press that in, it acts like a lock, and we will not be able to get that out. So here I am, just doing it with my fingernails, holding it in, and I can simply slide this right out. We also include a tool called a collet tool that looks kind of like this. This is so it can go around the fitting and maintain that collet in an inward motion so that it's pressed in and we can slide that out. To show you how to do that, you simply press it and slide it out, just like that. Now, if you're anything like me, and you lose this thing, or misplace it, we can always use anything else. One of my favorites is a good old-fashioned butter knife. Again, all we need to do is press this collet ring in towards the fitting to remove the plug. So the back side of a butter knife works just fine to keep that in place. The Delphi H2 has a little different adapter here for use with the under sink kit. It also has a quick connect plug, the same as the other ones we did. We simply need to press down on the collet and pull the fitting out before installation.